Hey, what's going on?
Just getting a view of the setup.
Oh yeah.
I see why people want motorcycles now.
Well, should we ride back together?
Let's do it.
All right, let's
All right.
do this.
Let's Haiti it.
I'm kind of.
Why'd it do that?
Kyle,
Yeah.
what just happened?
Our chain fell off.
Oh.
Ah.
Okay, well, we'll just put that bad boy back on.
Okay.
You know why it probably happened was like my feet were kicking rocks or something up into it.
Oh. Well,
That was
2 down.
too down.
Hey, Chet.
Hey.
We're got the mini bike here, and now we're walking
Why is that?
because the chain.
Oh, shoot. This is so dumb.
All right, we ditched the bike, and now we just got us.
For just thought we'd enjoy walking instead of driving.
I got kind of tired of riding stuff all over the place.
Yeah.
It was a lot more fun.
Still got the chain though.
Got the chain.
Okay.
All right, bye. Hey, how's it going?
Need a ride?
Yeah, we're just we're hopping on the end there.
Both of our dirt bikes broke down.
Really?
Yeah, it's so dumb.
Yeah. If you don't mind, we're just like a half mile up the road here, and I'll jump on this side. All right. Well, thanks a lot, man.
What you doing, Chet?
Hey. Well, we're going to pick up the mini bikes, both mini bikes, and because both of them broke down, not just one.
How'd the second one break?
Well, here's the second one right up here. See ya. Gonna go pick up the first one first.
Finders keepers.
Yeah. So there was 2 guys riding on a bike, and well, I think we way over exceeded the weight limit, which is 220.
Huh?
And I think at least one of us weighs at least 220.